Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you a DIYer? If so, then you're gonna love this heat shrink tubing kit. So heat shrink tubing is one of those things that I have recently realized is good for so many uses, but particularly we have been using this little kit for electrical wiring project in a truck restoration. But you can use this for repairing ropes or frayed ends on cables or wiring, so many different things. This is really handy. What I like about this is it is so simple to use, and this kit comes already organized in this little case and keeps it nice and neat and tidy, and also that it has a variety of gauges. So you can use this for lots of different types of projects. So the way that it works is you place it over what you are going to heat shrink. In our case, we are placing it over electrical wiring in a wiring harness on this truck. And then all you need to do is get it into place and then heat shrink over it. So for example, where we made a repair, a solder in this wire, we place this over and then we're able to shrink wrap over it. And that gives the wire protection and insulation, and it's also water and corrosion resistant. So it is a perfect fit. So we've been really happy with this product, the way that it performs. It's super easy to use. It shrinks up really quickly with a heat gun, and overall really pleased. And that's my point of view.